Hi there. Meet the FLNORW Portable Walking Travel Backpack Umbrella, designed for rain, sun, and wind protection. Its high-density impact cloth and double-layer cover ensure durability and toughness. This umbrella features automatic one-touch opening and closing, making it quick and easy to use on the go. Lightweight and compact at just 12.6 inches long, it fits perfectly in your car, backpack, or travel bag. The strong frame combines steel and carbon fiber for excellent windproof and waterproof performance. Plus, the umbrella's UV-proof black glue coating blocks harmful rays while the inside shows a calming sky pattern. Ideal for travel, leisure, or gifting to loved ones who need reliable sun and rain protection. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.